Hey, I'm Marcel. I'm living in Russia, and I'm in the Dubrovsky region in Bryansk Oblast along the Belarus-Ukrainian border. And I'm here today. We're going to be using this truck to pick up all the potatoes that we're going to go harvest from the field. And allergy season has kicked in, so you can see I'm really affected by allergies, but I've taken what I have to for suppressing it. Hi, I'm Marcel. I'm living in Russia, and today we're going to be picking potatoes in this field back here. And it's a very sunny day, so here's the potato harvester. He's cutting the grass right now, and then he'll be connecting to this harvester, and then we get to work picking the potatoes. This is me picking up potatoes. Not much, they're very small. Mostly for animals, I guess. Pretty difficult back-breaking work for a few potatoes. Bringing it back old school. Time to get the truck and load them up.